Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday morning, June 30th, 2025, and we have a great mix of business and corporate headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Tech media breaks. HealthLynked Corp, OTCQB HLYK, appoints Andrew Mavliev as Chief Technology and Product Officer. HealthLynked Corp, a connected healthcare technology company, has appointed Andrew Mavliev as its new Chief Technology and Product Officer. With over 15 years of experience in technology strategy and product development, Mavliev will lead efforts to expand HealthLynk's AI-powered healthcare platform and telehealth services. CEO Dr. Michael Dent praised Mavliev's track record of scaling secure platforms, highlighting his role in supporting the company's push for more accessible care. For more information about HealthLynked Corp, visit their website at www.healthlink.com.
Frequency Holdings YCRM announces addition of David Meltzer to Board of Directors, joining Kevin Harrington to accelerate growth and uplisting strategy. Frequency Holdings YCRM has announced the addition of David Meltzer to its Board of Directors, joining Kevin Harrington to accelerate growth and uplisting strategy. Meltzer, chairman of the Napoleon Hill Institute and former CEO of Lee Steinberg Sports and Entertainment, brings media reach and founder-focused conviction to strengthen Frequency's mission across cybersecurity, identity, and AI. With Meltzer and Harrington on board, Frequency aims to drive strategic vision, national expansion, and trajectory toward a future uplisting. The company, transitioning into a holding company structure, is assembling a board with media fluency, public company expertise, and long-term investor vision. Stay tuned for more updates on Frequency's strategic moves and growth initiatives.
Investor news breaks. Trillion Energy International Inc., OTCQB TRLEF, settles $386 crore debt with share issuance to insiders and consultants. Trillion Energy International Inc. has settled a $386,295.42 by issuing 7,725,908 common shares at 25 share to directors, officers, and consultants. 3.9 million shares are going to management in a related party transaction under MI 61101, with insider shares below 25% of market capitalization. All shares will be subject to a 4-month plus 1-day hold under Canadian securities law. Trillion Energy focuses on oil and natural gas production for Europe and Turkey, with interests in the SASB natural gas field and the Senderi oil field. For more information, visit the company's website.
Investor news breaks. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holding Corp, NASDAQ TNXP, added to Russell 3000 and Russell 2000 indexes. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holding Corp, NAS TNXP, has been added to the Russell 3000 and Russell 2000 indexes, reflecting its market cap growth. This comes as the company prepares for potential FDA approval and launch of TNX-102SL for fibromyalgia. CEO Seth Lederman noted the milestone will boost visibility as Tonix progresses toward commercialization. Russell indexes are widely used benchmarks, with $10.6 trillion in assets tied to their performance. Tonix is a fully integrated biopharmaceutical company focused on transforming therapies for pain management and modernizing solutions for public health challenges. For more information, visit www.tonixpharma.com.
Congo's extended cobalt export ban is unlikely to yield positive results. The Democratic Republic of Congo's extended cobalt export ban is unlikely to yield positive results, despite being the biggest producer of cobalt globally. The expiring moratorium on cobalt exports failed to shore up cobalt prices, leading to a 3-month extension. This presents learning opportunities for gold and copper exploration firms like Aston Bay Holdings Limited. The current market headwinds in cobalt can impact strategic planning processes. Investors can find the latest news and updates on Aston Bay Holdings Limited in the company's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks provides deep insights into the mining industry, offering access to wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit rocksandstocks.news.
Reputable Wisconsin roofing company wins back-to-back award. Hucky Exteriors, a reputable roofing company in Wisconsin, has been named the best roofing company in the state for the second year in a row. This award recognizes their top-tier craftsmanship, outstanding customer service, and homeowner satisfaction. Headquartered in Brookfield, Hucky Exteriors has earned a strong reputation for putting people first and treating every project as if it were their own home. Owner Nick Hucky expressed gratitude for the recognition, emphasizing the importance of taking care of customers. The Best of the Best award is based on real customer feedback and third-party evaluation, making it a true badge of honor for trustworthy businesses. For homeowners in southeastern Wisconsin looking for a reliable roofing company, Hucky Exteriors offers free roof inspections with a commitment to honest feedback and quality service.
Neutra Corp reports breakthrough first quarter following launch of its new clinical research network. Neutra Life Sciences, a subsidiary of Neutra Corp, has reported a strong start to operations in Q1 2025. The company achieved positive cash flow in under 6 months, expanding from a single pilot site to a network of 4 clinical research sites. Specializing in pediatrics, pediatric pulmonology, family medicine, urgent care, and optometry, Neutra is positioned as an innovation-driven SMO. With joint venture partnerships in place and plans for further expansion, Neutra aims to enhance trial capacity and value for sponsors and patients. The company is currently in due diligence for a potential strategic acquisition, but remains focused on the growth of Neutra Life Sciences. For more information, visit NeutraINC.com.
4 rising stars driving the next wave of stem cell and gene therapy innovation. The stem cell market is projected to nearly double to $28.89 billion by 2030, driven by regenerative medicine advancements and new therapies for serious diseases. Adia Nutrition Inc. is making waves with its premium stem cell products and nationwide TV commercial for Adia Vita, setting a new standard with 100 million stem cells per dose. Adia's uplisting to the OTCQB venture market and FDA registration for Adia Vita highlight the company's rapid growth. Mesoblast's FDA-approved Ryoncil for pediatric graft-versus-host disease is now covered for over 220 million insured lives in the U.S. Lineage Cell Therapeutics is showing durability with OpRegen for macular degeneration and advancing therapies for spinal cord injuries. CRISPR Therapeutics is a leader in gene editing with Casgevy approved for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia, and expanding into cardiovascular disease with CTX310. With a strong pipeline and global partnerships, CRISPR is positioned for long-term success.
Salon Suite Rental provides numerous benefits, including independence, pricing control, and flexible scheduling. Leasing a salon suite and starting your own business provides beauty and wellness professionals with independence, pricing control, and flexible scheduling. While owning your own business means complete control, it also comes with significant responsibility, such as startup costs and building clientele. Working as a salon employee may mean fewer responsibilities, but limits control over pricing and scheduling. Salon and Spa Galleria, a leading salon studio rental salon, offers competitive rates and flexible leasing terms to help businesses thrive. Tenants receive support, including marketing programs and amenities like state-of-the-art equipment, free Wi-Fi, and a waiting area for clients. With locations across the United States, Salon and Spa Galleria is a top choice for independent professionals looking to run their own business. Great dialogue and important questions from audiences offered by top motivational speaker and best-selling author Rocky Romanella. Top motivational speaker and best-selling author Rocky Romanella defines success as adding immediate value as a leader, trusted advisor, mentor, and visionary with a process approach. He emphasizes the importance of developing a strategic vision, building a business plan, and executing it through clear communication. Romanella believes education, both formal and informal, plays a crucial role in shaping values and skills. He lives by quotes like, "You are the architect of your own destiny, and the speed of the leader determines the pace of the pack." Romanella's book, Tighten the Lug Nuts: The Principles of Balanced Leadership, offers practical insights for leaders at all levels. Check out his Forbes contributions and Leadership Library podcast for more valuable resources. Siren Biotechnology and Rise Robotics win top honors at Superpowers for Good Live Pitch, Q2 2025. Siren Biotechnology and Rise Robotics were honored at the Superpowers for Good Live Pitch, Q2 2025. Dr. Nicole Palk of Siren Biotechnology won the Supercrowd Award for her innovative cancer treatments, while Hiten Sonpal of Rise Robotics received the Judge's Choice Award for their energy-efficient motion systems. The event showcased 4 founders with active regulation crowdfunding campaigns, including Neopenda and NameCoach. Winners received prizes from sponsors like Digital Niche Agency and King's Crowd. The next live pitch is scheduled for September 2025, offering entrepreneurs a platform to showcase their impactful ventures.
Nelson Funding arranges $5,500,000 land loan in Plumas Lake, CA. Nelson Funding proudly announces the successful arrangement of a $5,500,000 land loan in Plumas Lake, CA. The borrower, a seasoned mortgage broker, turned to Nelson Funding after a deal with another lender fell through. Leveraging their extensive network, Nelson Funding quickly found a well-capitalized lender offering flexible terms and fast closings. The lender expressed interest within 12 hours and issued a term sheet promptly. With a focus on speed and execution, the lender was prepared to close within weeks. This transaction highlights Nelson Funding's ability to provide tailored land loan solutions for developers and mortgage brokers. Whether you need financing for pre-sold development or future construction, Nelson Funding offers expertise and flexibility to ensure project success. Contact Nelson Funding for customized land financing solutions. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.